You think all tape measures are the same? First of all, welcome back to another SpeedX Tools YouTube video. Thank you again for tuning in and listening to me yap about tools and hardware and everything in between. So now let's get back into the script I prepared. What did I say? Oh yes. So at first glance, you think all of these tapes are the same. But when you start working with them, then you'll quickly realize, why does this tape do that? Why does that tape do this? First of all, every time I say tape, let's do an action. What action can we do? Okay, let's do one push-up every time I say tape in this video. I think we'll all get jacked after that. So let's continue on. Each of these tapes have a different purpose, a different mechanism that makes it special. And now today I'm going to explain to you which tape is needed for what type of job you want to do. So let's get straight into it. So in front of us we have 11 different tapes with so many different features, from standard measuring tapes to ones with a magnetic strip, one with a top window on top, the one with some auto lock features, and of course these two big boys right here, open and close cases. So regardless of your profession, let's see how many industries I can name. So whether you're a contractor, electrician, an engineer, and a manufacturer, a mechanic, a contractor. Is there any more? What else? A tiler? Someone who makes tile? I don't know. Regardless, or even a DIY expert, regardless of whatever profession or whatever use case you have, you will find the tape for your needs. So enough of me blabbering. Let's get into the first product, which is this YATO normal 5 meter safety measure. Oh, before I talk about that, each of these comes from 3 meters all the way until 10 meters plus, and the big boy right here goes up to from 30 to even 50 meters to even more. Just we have all that, but today whatever thing I have in front of me, whatever distance or length I have in front of me, don't worry, we have more than that. So let's get into it. The first product, which is a normal YATO safety measuring tape. So this is just a regular simple standard tape measure with meters, centimeters, which is metric. Yeah, metric measurements. You can't go wrong with it. It's a normal tape measure. This one is for 5 meters starting at 15 dirhams. It's perfect for at-home stuff, assembling furniture, hanging some shelves, or even some general site work. And let me give you a tip. If you want to test the quality of the tape measure, you just have to keep on extending it and just wait for it to snap. Which, this was quite long. I had to keep going. So that's some good quality right here. But yeah, enough about this. Let's move on to the next one, which is this tape measure, which has a finger stop feature. So this tape over here has a finger lock right here. Why this is because it helps with more control on retracting the blade. You can get more precise measurements, very easy to use with one hand as well. And we've all had the time where the blade just from a long distance starts retracting back and it cuts you. No one wants that. It's painful. That's why they get this finger with a finger lock right here. This one is 8 meters and going for 24 dirhams. Now, the next tape we're going to be talking about is a cool one. This one over here has a white blade right here. So this tape has a white blade. Now you ask why they chose white over the general yellow one. It's because it's easier to read in certain conditions. Now let me explain. Especially when you're working inside in workshops under LED lighting or any artificial type of lighting, that's why people tend to choose a white blade. It makes it easier to read when you have, It makes it easier to read when you're in those lighting conditions, especially when you have top lighting right here. It's easier to read the certain measurements. So people choose the yellow blade for outdoor work and they like to use a white blade for any indoor work. This 5 meter tape is going only for 14 dirhams. Now, the next tape we're going to be talking about is this one. I like this one a lot because right here it has a magnetic tip. So this tape over here has two cool features. It has a magnetic tip right here, which I'll show you, can attach and magnetize to any steel surface, making it easy to use with one hand. And of course, let me show you what the other feature is. It is double-sided. So whatever angle you're at, you can easily read the tape, whether you're up, down, side, whatever it is. And this tape is going only for 25 dirhams. The next tape is one tape that's useful for all different regions around the world. This tape has 2 different imperial and metric measurements. Now this tape, as I said, has the metric and the imperial measurements. So you have it in meters, centimeters, and also have it in inches. Now, especially in the UAE where it's only metric, yeah, where you have meters and centimeters in all your blueprints and drawings. Sometimes when you never know, there's sometimes where you get imported drawings from around the world, where you're getting it from America or wherever, and they have inches used in the drawing. So instead of sitting there calculating, oh, meters to inches, centimeters to meters to inches to centimeter to yards to feet, whatever, just get a simple measuring tape. It has both. Very easy, very simple. And of course, if you're living in America and you want to get a nice souvenir from Dubai, come to Speedex and get a measuring tape that works for you. Also, this, how many meters is this? 5 meter measuring tape is only going for 13 dirhams. And next we have this tape, which has an auto stop feature. Basically, wherever you pull it, not touching anything, will auto stop by itself. If you want to retract the blade, just press the button right here. Very easy to retract. You have a lot of control, and that's one thing that some people like, some people don't like. I pull it out, comes back in, pull it out, comes back in. But this one, it's very easy to keep on cutting and measuring. Cutting? Why did I say cutting? Measuring long distances, especially if you have to walk and move, walk and move. This is very easy to control. This 5 meter auto stop measuring tape is only going for 25 dirhams. And the last standard measuring tape is a very cool one. This one has a window on the top, and let me show you and let me explain to you why that's very cool. So now, why this top window tape is cool, useful, and why people like to use it a lot, I'll give you some context. So if you look closely at the top window feature, you'll see that the measurement when the tape is fully retracted is around 7.6, 7.7 centimeters. Now you'll ask me, why is it so specific? Let me explain to you. So to explain, I got this, what is this called? Shopping basket, shopping bag, shopping cart. I think basket only, right? And I want to measure distance from here to here. So what do you normally do with a tape measure? You take it to the clip, and then you have to do this with a tape measure to get the exact measurement. So instead of doing that, what you could do is take the hook of the tape to the one end and just pull it all the way back like that. If you come closer and you see from the top that all I'm doing is just making the wall of the tape touch the wall of the basket, and then the top window is telling me the measurement that I need. So now you ask me, why 7.7 centimeters? Because the length of the tape is 7.7 centimeters around. So that's why this top window measurement is giving you the exact measurement that you need when you want to measure inside boxes or whatever use case that you can think of, because I know you guys are creative. And of course, one feature I forgot to talk about is along with the top window feature, it's also auto stop. I'm not pressing anything. It's an auto stop feature, auto lock, whatever you want to call it. So all in all, this 5 meter measuring tape with the auto lock and the top window is going for 21 dirhams. And now next we have these two big measuring surveying tapes. So these two are 30 meters long, and these are in the steel blade type. So basically we offer a closed reel and an open reel. Now the difference between the closed reel and the open reel is this closed one offers more protection in transport, but it's harder to clean. While the open one, while it does offer a little bit less protection, it's much more easier to clean and wind more or wind less, whatever the term is. So these surveying measuring tapes are used for when you have to measure long distances, when you have a long fencing project, or you want to measure out your plot lines. This is why you need these two surveying tapes. So this closed one for 30 meters is going for 55 dirhams, while the closed one is going for 69 dirhams. But also YATO and Speedex of course offers a one with steel blades and one with fiberglass blade I will talk about. The steel blade has more durability, it's stronger, and it's more tough. If you can feel it also, it's more tough. Really good for outdoor projects where there's a lot of rubble, a lot of stuff that can damage the tape. So that's why people choose a steel one. Now let's talk about the fiberglass one. Of course, we have the fiberglass versions as well. So these are both the 30 meter ones, but the closed one is going for 45 dirhams, if I remember correctly, and the open one is going for 54 dirhams. Now, you ask me, why would I choose fiberglass over steel? It just comes down to the type of work you're doing. So fiberglass, if you just feel it, it's much more lightweight and it's much more flexible. And of course, it's corrosion resistant. So if you're working in outdoor wet conditions or where it's very moist, that's where you would choose the fiberglass version. Outdoor gardening, grass gets wet, it might start raining. That's when you use the fiberglass version. It will make it last longer. Other than that, there's no difference between the fiberglass and the steel blades. And I think that's about it. I think we talked about all the different measuring tapes that we have in Speedex. And of course, we always have new products coming in. So when that comes, stay tuned for more details. Thank you so much for watching this Fibre Tool YouTube video. Thank you so much for listening to me blabber on and on and on about different measuring tapes. And if you watch my other videos as well, you know that I just like to talk a lot. So regardless of that, thank you so much for watching this Fibre Tool YouTube video, and stay tuned for more details. I'll see you later.
SpeedX, inspiring ideas, projects, and homes.
SpeedX.